compound interest formula. Compound interest can be calculated using the formula AT equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N to the NT. AT is the account value, sometimes known as the amount. T is measured in years, it's the time. P is the principal, and it's also the starting amount of the account. R is the rate, they call it the annual percentage rate expressed as a decimal. And N is the number of compounding periods in 1 year. So let's take a look at this problem below. It says an account is opened with an initial deposit of $6,500 and earns 3.6% interest compounded semi-annually. What will the account be worth in 20 years? So we're just going to follow this formula here. So this account here, value is going to equal, so my principal being $6,500. So I'm just going to put the $6,500 in there. And then I have the 1 plus, and the R is the rate. So again, in decimals, so that's 0.036 over N, and this says semi-annually, so that's twice a year. That's just the lingo, twice a year. So that's how many times annually in 1 year. Well, so that's to the N, and my N is 2, and my time is 20. All right, so that's our formula there. And essentially this is just plug and chug. The most difficult thing is plugging all this in my calculator correctly. I'll have to use parentheses if I want to do it in a single operation. If not, what you can do is you can do the inside first and then take it to the power of 40 and then times it by 6,500. So just trying to find a way to work it out. So if it's difficult for you to plug it all in at once, you can just do it in pieces. But actually cut and paste, don't round until the final answer. So be careful with that. So this is going to be approximately $13,268 and 58.09, which, if we're talking money here, is going to be $13,268.58. So there's our answer for this problem here. So just follow the formula.